Okay. Sorry about that. Kicked my KVM switch. Stopped the broadcast on accident. My apologies. So, all right, back to this level design, level like scene creation. Here we go. Here we go. This is definitely not the prettiest level. Let's see. Let's do this. Let's fly over here. Alright, so let's then grab all this stuff. Okay. Nice. Then duplicate that, bring that all the way over here. Let's fly over here. Okay. Cool. I love this V tool. Makes it so easy to snap game objects together. Alright. So in my head I thought this would be a lot cooler. But this looks kinda bad. But it's something I could test the gameplay, and that's what's most important. So we will just do that. That's what we'll do. Alright, so hit play. Use my controller. Get a little bit more room. Let's move this dino. Okay, so that works. Alright, cool. That doesn't work. That's definitely due to like the character controller not being surrounding the whole dino, so I probably need to put like a boss collider for some more proper collision. So I bet you my tail. See, the tail goes inside. Doesn't collide, right? Yeah, that's funny. Anyways, I can deal with that later. So let's pretty this up just a little bit more. Let's add a couple more assets here. What to add? What to add? Definitely some more boxes would be cool. Let me just duplicate. think that's, yeah, that was good. Yeah, nice. And let's move this so it's not directly near the player. And go there. Cool, cool. Let's see. Yeah, I may not use anything else. Probably just go less is more kind of thing. I wonder if there's like a bush of some kind. Nope. No, no, no. Okay. Alright. Cool. So I think... I guess we just create more boxes. Alrighty. Cool. Let's see. Those are the dinos. Any other prefabs I want to use? Let's see, what does this look like? That looks kind of interesting. What about this one? Probably not that one. Yeah, I kind of wanted to surround the arena with something. Let's see, what does this look like? Oh, like a default animation or something. Okay, cool. No, it does not. Ooh, that's kind of cool. I think I may want to put this, let's see. Maybe rotate it a bit. Where are we at? Yeah, make it 90. Something like that. So just keep the arena. That doesn't look very interesting though. maybe too big. Let's go 4. Yeah, that's a little bit better. Let's put it in here under environment. Yeah, let's do that. Let's see. Let's do it like that. I wonder if I could just scale it if it'd be just fine. Yeah. Let's bring it down actually a little bit. Ooh, doesn't look good. That does not look good. I don't know if it has like a hard edge. Nope. It kind of works. It looks kind of funky. Yeah. Okay. Hey, what's up, Joseph? Good to see you, man. Good to see you on the stream. Cool. Yeah, that's close enough. Player won't squeeze through on that. Alright. Let's see. Cool. A little bit of duplication. Bam. Oh, I'll use my game window view to. Okay. It's kind of like boxing the player in a little bit. Not sure if that works from a gameplay perspective, but. Well, I guess gameplay, the player can't escape. Something like that. Oh, Windows. How do I turn on notifications on Windows? Oh my goodness gracious. Windows is very annoying. I want to put it on focus. Like, it should just be as easy as, like, I just want to be on focus forever. Don't bother me with notifications. Wow. There's no way to just be like, I want to be focused forever. Oh no. I'm not sharing this part of my screen, but Windows is ooh. That's very frustrating. Can I just say forever? Southern Delta, please fix that. I should be able to focus forever. Like, just leave me alone. I should be able to turn focus on and off. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm gonna stop playing with that. I'm gonna stop playing with that because that's frustrating. All right, so I got this level. Let's see here. Southern Delta, please fix that. If you're watching the stream, of course you're watching the stream. What else would the CEO of Microsoft be doing on a Saturday night but watch a no-name indie game developer moving boxes around very slowly? This is like prime. This is prime entertainment for the tech industry right here. But this is peaceful for me right here. So this is why I do it. That's why I do it. It's like digital Legos. Hey, what's up, Brian? Thanks for jumping into the live stream. Thanks for jumping into the chat. I should like have a better way to view. And are we still doing podcast episodes? Yes, we are. Our latest one just dropped, episode 146. So you can definitely check it out. Musty Creative. The Musty Creative Podcast should be on Spotify, Apple Podcasts, all the other platforms, all the major platforms. So we're still doing podcast episodes. Thank you for that question, man. Appreciate that. Yeah, very cool, very cool. Yeah, that podcast episode, it's a little late, unfortunately. But it is about the summer movies that happened this past summer, 2023. 2023 summer movies were just bangers all around. There's some really good movies. Obviously, Barbenheimer is like the top of the top. So yeah, we just go through our top. I want to say top 5 or 6 movies of the summer. We go from worst to best. So you may be surprised by some of our opinions on it. So let us know what you think. There's a video version too on our YouTube channel as well. So if you want to see us just talking about it on video form, and there's also the audio podcast too. So good questions. All right. Ooh. I messed up somewhere, but oh well. This is like, I already did a proof of concept for this game. So now I'm taking it to like the next level prototype. Like, I guess in Startup World it'd be called an MVP. Let's see. What is that? What does this look like? What does this feel like? So this is cool. Yeah, the character controller. I gotta put it better. All right, this is cool. So this is like, you can play in this. I do kind of want to remove the shadows, but I guess I could do it later. Yeah, this looks better with the walls. It looks better actually. Cool. What did I think about the Ferrari episode? Yeah, I was listening to an episode that I was guesting. Oh, yeah. Okay. No, that's cool. That's right. You were a guest in that one. Awesome. What number? What number were you a guest in? What do you think about the Ferrari movie? I haven't watched the Ferrari movie. I'm a big fan of 4v Ferrari. I thought that was amazing. I'm not drawn to the Adam Driver 4v Ferrari movie, to be honest. Um, I watched American Fiction this past week. I watched Migration. I watched Wonka. All excellent movies. If you're looking for a fun animated movie, watch Migration. If you're looking for something that's going to really warm your heart, watch Wonka. If you want something that's going to be thrilling and also kind of maybe also give you a tearjerker, I would recommend Godzilla Minus One. That is probably the best movie you can watch during the Christmas or holiday season. Christmas, New Year's, Godzilla Minus One. Excellent film. But I have not watched Ferrari. Oh, the Beaster episode. Oh, my bad, Brian. What's up, Beaster? You still do gaming, man? You still on the Fortnite or on Roblox? That's cool. Yeah, everyone definitely check out Beaster's episode. Man, that takes me back. That was a while ago. Yeah. No, those are some good movies. American Fiction is good too, but it's a rated R comedy. Not because there's anything crazy in there. It's just a lot of language. But yeah, interesting topic. It's a hilarious film. It's a more hilarious script if you get a hold of the screenplay. All right, got my little dino. There's something I'm getting a warning about in animation state, and I want to say it's due to probably one of these other game objects. Okay, fly. So this one doesn't have an animator on it. Doesn't look like it. Nope. Yes, the Wiggle. Wiggle has an animator, so did I break it? That's the default one. Let's see. State cannot be found. Open that up in Visual Studio. Let's see. Round animation. Who has that? Oh, okay, so that's definitely here. So line 24. think we could just play it. We don't really need the state for that. Let's just play this. It's not gonna wiggle or anything. Okay. Oh, my bad. I gotta check the chat. Doing more relatable TikToks now. Watching Toy Story right now. Nice. Toy Story is a classic. It's one of the best. Yeah, big fan of Pixar animation. Toy Story is definitely one of my I would say top 3 anime movies of all time. Then there's obviously WALL-E, and to be honest, I'll probably go with Wreck-It Ralph from Disney Animation. Those probably my top 3 right now. But again, the list it's fluid. The list is fluid. Yeah, it never goes out of style. Toy Story is perfect, especially for this time of year. Get cozy with the family, have the fireplace going, put on some Toy Story. Man, it's classic stuff. All right, let's see. Let's go at this game. So let's see. Yeah, I think it's fine. I'm not even gonna use this one anyway. So let me take out this game object. But yeah, everyone go check out Beatster with the TikToks. Amazing creator. Take away this one. I don't need this one. Let's rotate this back. I might just stick with the boxes, to be honest. I don't think you even need this one. So yeah, let's just delete that. All right. I think this scene, again, if you're a level designer that's more experienced than me, and you probably are if you're watching this, don't be too frustrated with me. I'm just trying to put together a scene, because the original POC or proof of concept game worked from a gameplay standpoint, but it was horrible. This is like, and as a programmer, this is like beautiful art to me. So just having fun with the Legos. Maybe a few more boxes. Maybe let's build like a little group right here. Okay. Let's see. Can we... There we go. Cool. All right. Awesome. Hey, nice chatting with you, Brian. Good stuff, man. Thanks for dropping by, Beaster. Appreciate you, man. Shout out to Michelle in the chat. Keeping things lively. Appreciate you. Let's see. All right. That's good. Had some technical difficulties earlier with the streaming, because streaming on Twitch from my Xbox is way easier. Look at him. Look at the little dino. Look at his eyes. What a cutie. What a cutie. Yes. Go on, my little dino. Oh man, what a little cute little dinosaur. And then see, he's completely hidden, so you can kind of hide here. That's cool. Let me hide over here. Yeah, I like this level. Again, very simple. I'm not the best level designer, but this I think this works for the gameplay that we're about to do. Oh. You must exit play mode to save the scene. My bad. My apologies. File save project. That is, that's how you do it. That's how you do it. All right, let's see here. Now they have the star, which actually was kind of cool. But I kind of want a coin. Is there a coin? There's a coin. But for some reason, could not create a custom UI for the shader glow. The shader has the following. It's like an emission. So let's create a new material. Oh, but you know what? We're not doing post-processing, so that's probably going to be the biggest thing. Let's just throw one of these. Hey, that kind of works. Or that kind of works too. For now. Then we'll make it cooler, because it would be cool if it was emitting a glow of some kind. Oh, I like that too. That looks nice. That looks kind of cool. Alright, got some coins. For now, let's create an empty game object to just organize the level. Oh, we have all these boxes here. My apologies. You're part of the environment too. There you go. Now you're with your environment family. Okay. All right. So let's save that as a new prefab, because I think that color works, but I guess let's look at it in game. Let's widen the game window. Yeah, that looks cool. Oh my gosh, I want to eat that. I want to eat that. Oh my gosh, that looks so beautiful. Let's get a little bit closer. Ooh, I want to capture you, and I want to eat you, I want to hold you, I want to collect you. That looks beautiful. Ooh. And again, this looks like very cheap. Well, the art assets are not cheap. They're awesome. But like the way I'm using them is probably horrible. Like if you're the asset creator for these assets, I'm sorry. I'm using them very incorrectly. But look at that. Oh my gosh, that coin. Ooh. Yes. 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 Now I want to put like an animation so the dino's like eat, eat, eat. That looks so good. Oh, yes. I love it. I love it. Yes, 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 yes. Every day, every day. It's an everyday thing, bro. It's every day, bro. It's every day. Okay. That's cool. That's so cool. Ooh. Okay. Woo. Man. We're going to have fun with that one. We're going to have fun with that one. So let's stop playing. And let's do what we do. Let's do file, save. File, save project. Yes. That's how we know that this is actually saved. Because, man, sometimes we don't know. Oh, thank you, Michelle. Thank you. I appreciate that. It's better than what I can do. But honestly, like if all I'm doing is I'm just like clicking on game objects and then moving around. Like, yeah, you could definitely pick this up. Not saying game development is easy. It's very hard. Getting a quality finished product is super hard. But moving around the editor, that is doable. So let's make this a prefab of mine. Mine. So we have a player in here. But you know what? We should put Dino player in here as a prefab actually. And let's not call this coin001. Let's just call this capital C coin. Bam. Beautiful. And then let's move this on over here and make this a original prefab. And let's call this player Dino. I know phonetically it probably should be Dino player, but we're just gonna play with that right now because I just have this idea of like player and then player Dino, and then there might be player something else, like, you know, there could be other types of characters, but coin player Dino, that's good. So we got our prefabs in here. Very nice. In fact, let's do this. Let's delete this, and then let's plop player Dino right here. And let's play. Hopefully there's no errors. Hopefully, because it's a prefab. Yeah, there's errors, of course. Of course. I was foolish. Yes, this definitely is Unity. What's up, Keegan? What's up, Frogster? Hello. This is Unity 2022.3.16. But yes, welcome to the stream. All right, so I need to add the camera. I think that's what I was mainly complaining about. Hopefully that's the only thing. And let's look at the free look camera. Yeah, everything else should be. Oh, interesting. Look at. Oh. I want you to look at player Dino. Unless I had a reason for that, but I don't think I did. Let's see here. So we do a file save project. And sorry if that gets annoying, but it's just that helps me to save properly. Because I've talked to other game developers who use Unity, and they have said that they've had problems with saving. And I'm like, I don't have problems with saving, and it's probably because I am OCD about file save project. Okay, so everything's working, and we're using our prefab now, which is nice. Our player Dino prefab. The movement is kind of skatey, not really frictiony, but again, this is the next level from proof of concept to prototype. So the art is definitely improved, and I'm super excited to show off the actual gameplay. But we have a coin. We have a beautiful coin. Look at that beautiful coin. Looks, ooh, so good. Want to eat it. It's like, ooh. Sometimes, you know, like, I want to grab my VR headset, go into these worlds I create, and then just like mess around, hang out, and have fun. We're getting there. At some point, I will be able to do that. I'll be able to create my world and get in there. Technically, you can do that with the MetaQuest 3 Roblox kind of participation, and then I think there's a new partnership now with Xbox Cloud or xCloud, where you can stream games. But I want to like take my Unity game and quickly launch it. I guess I could just make the game and launch it, but I had to go through the process and publish it on the MetaQuest store and all that stuff. Yeah, I just want to like, from a testing standpoint, I guess I just got to set up my environment to do VR testing, and then I got to set up a camera rig and all that stuff. But anyways, that's boring stuff. All right, so game was good. Little Dino's eyes are kind of creepy. Why are you staring at me like that, bruh? kind of creepy on that perspective, but it's okay. It's all good. All right, file save project one more time. So I'm very happy with this level. I think I might end the stream here because I gotta put some more stuff together in the background because I'm not fully comfortable showing like all my failures and mistakes, to be honest. What I need to do now is make it so I can kind of take the code from the proof of concept and set it up here. And essentially this game is going to be a multiplayer, a very like chill, I don't know, it could get super competitive, but a chill like coin collecting multiplayer game. And for now, I think I'll use the dinos as the player avatars, and you'll run around in the level. Coins will pop up in like locations, kind of like randomly, you know, pseudo random from a programming perspective. And you can play like a game of like, let's say 8, 4, probably 6. I think about that. 4 players is enough, but maybe too small. So maybe like 6 or 8. But 8 might be too big. We'll play with it. But definitely max 8 players, and it would be kind of like you'll invite people just like you do kind of in Among Us. You'll have like a code and a join code. So I've already like fleshed this out, got the code working, but I started a brand new project to kind of just clear my head of the POC and add new art and add new art essentially, and a new character controller or player movement controller, which you see. Yeah, so there's my character controller and then the player movement controller. So I got this kind of working. I do want to get running fixed or working better because right now everything's the same speed, and that's just work I got to do. But I want to get to the point where I was with the POC, and then we can add the lobby code. And once we get that going, then I'm going to create like an actual build, and then we can play test here on live stream if we want to do that with the community. So if you want to be part of that, subscribe, hit us up, comment on the video, and when the build's ready, honestly, I can have the build ready. I'm gonna just do it. I'm gonna try to get it done as fast as possible, because all the code's already written, but I just got to input it into this project. Got to turn all the networking stuff on for Unity, and so shouldn't be too long to get that going. But I like where we're at right now. Yeah, this was good. This is good. This is very exciting. Very exciting. There's a character controller. Okay. Yeah. Okay. I think I'm good. Unless we want to keep going. Yeah, unless we just want to keep going. But I have to do some stuff. I have to turn on the networking for this. And for that, I got to go to my Unity dashboard and got to make sure all the P's and Q's are all set up. So it's not very fun stuff. It's super boring. But I will be back with another live stream when I have more things hooked up, and then I can show you how I'm gonna hook it all up, and you'll see my failures with my coding and stuff like that. But I think that is it for tonight. So if I do live stream before then, I'm probably gonna just play more of A Short Hike, because that game is super fun, and I just discovered it, and it came out in 2019. So if you want to see me play that, let me know too in the chat. But thanks everybody for joining and for hanging out. Really appreciate y'all. Have a good night and a happy new year, and stay musty. Take care.